Hi, I'm Mary with Concho Valley Paws, and this week's Pet of the Week is Boone. Boone is a beautiful boy. He is a 6-year-old Shepherd Lab mix with a loving and kind spirit. His temperament is perfect for a family with children or other pets. Boone is an inside dog. He is perfectly potty trained and he knows basic commands. He wants nothing more than to please his family. If you can adopt but want to support the efforts of Concho Valley Paws, please join us on Saturday, September 28th for our second annual Mutt Strut sponsored by Palmer Feed and Supply and ERA Newland and Company. The 2-mile walk and pet fair are sure to be fun for the whole family, and all leashed and vaccinated pets are welcome. Remember to register your pet to participate in the Strut Your Mutt pet pageant following the walk. For more information, visit muttstrut.conchovalleypaws.org. To make Boone a member of your family or to see our other beautiful pets online, please go to conchovalleypaws.org or call our office at 656-PETS. Please be a responsible pet owner and have your pet spayed or neutered. It's the right thing to do. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.